Hi, this is Adam with Alarm.com, and today I'm going to show you the proper way to install our new cameras. There are two different methods you can use to install these new cameras, and today I'm going to show you how to use both of them. The first method is WPS, or Wi-Fi protected setup. The second method is a normal Ethernet cable method. Alright, now let's get started.
The first method I'm going to show you today uses WPS, or Wi-Fi protected setup, which is a wireless way to connect to your router. I'm going to use the new pan tilt camera. First, connect the power cord to the back of the camera. You will see a red light come on the front of the camera. This means the camera is powering on. It will take 1 to 2 minutes for the camera to boot up. For this type of camera, you will notice the top spinning around. This is the camera's way of calibrating itself. After the camera has powered up, locate the WPS button. It is either located on the back or the side of the camera. For this camera, it is located on the back. Here is our indoor fixed camera. It is located on the side. Press and hold this button for 3 to 5 seconds until you see a blinking blue light on the front of the camera. If you receive a solid blue light, hold the WPS button down for 2 seconds. Unplug the camera and try it again. If the same problem occurs, take a needle or paper clip and press and hold the reset button on the side of the camera for 10 seconds. After you've received the blinking blue light, go to your router and locate the WPS button on it. Here are a few images of what it might look like. Once you have located the WPS button, hold it down for 10 seconds. When you're finished, wait up to 5 minutes for the LED light on the front of the camera to start blinking green. If you do not receive a blinking green, then the WPS method is not supported by your router and you will need to try the Ethernet cable method. Once it turns a solid green, you can add it to the customer's account. The next method uses an Ethernet cable to connect the camera to the router. You must plug in the Ethernet cable before the power cord for the camera to work properly. You will see a red LED light, which means the camera is powering up. Once you have received a solid green light, not blinking green, then you can connect the camera to the customer's account where you can set the camera's wireless settings. Our new outdoor camera operates the same way as the indoor cameras. It can connect via WPS or the Ethernet cable. Both ports are located here on the back. They normally have caps on top of them that you screw off to get to the ports. Other than that, the setup is the exact same. I will now show you how to set up the camera to the customer's account. Log the customer onto their account, then go to the Video tab. Click here to add a camera to this account. Click on Find Cameras. Select the camera you want to add from the list and click Continue. Ask the customer what they want their camera to be named and type it in the box. Click Continue. You will see the screen that says Wait for the camera to be configured. This process can take up to 5 minutes. You will then see this screen and it will tell you if it is a success or failure. If it is a failure, check your internet connection and try again. If the problem persists, reset the camera and try the Ethernet cable method. Once you have received a success, go to configure wireless network settings for this camera. Note, if you have used the WPS method, you will not need to configure your wireless settings. You can go straight to View Live Feed. On this page, you can either enter the wireless settings manually or select Scan for wireless networks. If you scan for wireless networks, select the network you wish to connect to. Type the password for the network in the wireless network key box. After you have clicked Save, follow the instructions on the screen for powering your camera up as a wireless device.
Thank you for taking your time to watch this video on how to properly install our new cameras. I hope this was beneficial. Have a nice day.